Hey guys, I know it's dark and you can't see what I'm recording here. I don't have a, well, let's see, I probably do. There we go. Never mind. Just out here like on a little campfire stall. Got some hot coals, some wood burning here. Got a pan of fresh caught spotted bass, and I want to try a new recipe. Another guy I follow on YouTube coated his fillets in mustard. Said that I guess the acid in the vinegar and the mustard helps take away some of the fishy taste. Sometimes, the fish that you catch a lot of times tastes like the water that you caught it from. It has a real fishy smell. So I just want to give it a try. So far I'm going along with it. Want to see how it tastes. Got them coated in the mustard. Then I just got a coating of cornmeal flour, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, a little bit of garlic. I'm getting ready to give them a turn and check them out, see what I think.